Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. BeautyBigBang have very kindly sent me some stamping plates and a nail buffer. I will be breaking this down into a few videos. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing BeautyBigBang stamping plates XL-053 and XL-054 along with the nail buffer. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below, along with my discount code for you to use. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So this is the nail buffer and it's just a regular white buffing block. These are normally either like a 240 or 220 grit, and they're great for buffing over the natural nail and also buffing over enhancement to make them all smooth. I have already used this for doing an infill on my nails. I just wanted to see what it was like, and to be fair, on first impressions I'm quite impressed with it. I've had some before in the past which have been really poor quality, but this one feels nice. It's got a nice feel of grit to it. I will be using it more over the coming months, but it is a nice quality buffing block and at a really affordable price as well. So on to the swatches, and I'll be starting with BeautyBigBang XL-053. I also have my usual stamper and scraper. I have 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto, taking 3 swatches from each plate. For the first swatch I'll be using a peachy coloured nail tip along with the white stamping polish. I will be removing the excess, but you will notice I wasn't too worried about the mess on the bottom. I knew it wouldn't get onto the nail tip, but it is a beautiful swatch and colour combo as well. For the next swatch I'll be using a white nail tip along with a teal blue stamping polish. When I see this image I just want to use it a few times and just randomly dot it over the nail in different colours. I think it would look stunning, but even on its own it's still a lovely image, and one I'll definitely be using for a mani. It is quite unusual as well, but it is really cool in the white and the teal blue. For the next swatch I'll be using a green nail tip along with a dark shimmery green stamping polish. When I use large images like these I like to add 2 lines of polish. My normal one at the top, and then halfway down I'll add another one. This just means I'm not adding excess polish, but I'm still able to cover the whole image with the polish for a good swatch, and this is a good swatch. It's a little eye funky, but it definitely works so well though. Moving on to BeautyBigBang XL-054. For the first swatch I'll be using a blue nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. Now these 6 stamping plates can be purchased individually or as a set. I've left all the links for the set and individual plates in the description box below. This is such an unusual design, but it is so pretty though. I already have an idea for this image for a mani, so can't wait. For the next swatch I'll be using a pink nail tip along with a purple stamping polish. Now my room was quite warm when I did these swatches, so this swatch isn't as good as I wanted it to be, and this can really be seen in the writing on this image. However, the photo swatch was much better, and this is going to be a popular stamping image for people to use. For the next swatch I'll be using a grey nail tip along with a black stamping polish. I thought I would redo this image on camera as it was a little hard to see on the photo swatch. In person though it looked great, but again I can see me using this image and I can see it also being quite popular. I don't think I've seen many images like this one before, so it's really quite cool. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from these BeautyBigBang stamping plates. BeautyBigBang XL-053 is full of amazing designs which are beautiful pattern and line designs. There is 7 large designs at the top along with 18 long thin images at the bottom. When I saw this plate I just knew it would suit my taste in stamping plates, and I like that there's a mix of thickness to the line images on the bottom. With the small ones you could very easily add more than 1 to a nail. I think you could maybe get 3 very thin ones onto a nail, that's something I want to have a play with. I have plates in my collection which are sort of similar in a way, however I think this plate is really quite unique. I can already pick out some that I want to create manis with, but I also want to see whether this would work alongside one of the other plates from this collection of 6 stamping plates. And I definitely want to use all 6 to bring some more manis to my channel as well. I love how long these images are, so no matter what size your nails are, these will work for everyone. But also they're really easy to work with as well. I've just used the same stamper I did in the video, even though the images on the bottom are smaller. Because of their length, I wanted to pick up as much as possible and felt the smaller stamper wasn't the right choice. A lot of the images will be able to mix and match the larger ones with the smaller ones, but also use the smaller ones on their own for a full mani as well as the larger ones. This plate is right up my alley and I'm really keen to return. Now the black and silver swatch, I managed to pick up both images at once because they were really close together, and I sort of felt that you could do this with some of the other ones as well. So for each plate I've made a mani. So for the mani I went bright and bold. Yellow is super popular colour right now in the nail world, and I haven't used yellow for a mani in quite a while. Now the yellow does have a sort of a pearlized effect to it, which you might be able to see, but I've also used a bright red as the stamping polish. I've used 2 images to create this simple but striking mani, which I really do like. I'm not a huge fan of yellow, but I would definitely wear this. BeautyBigBang XL-054 is such an unusual and unique plate. It's described as a universe and planets plate on the BeautyBigBang website, and I can really see that. There is 11 large designs along with 12 smaller ones on the right hand side. Now one thing I was really surprised at was the open space image on the bottom row. If you know me, you'll know I have trouble with them. Well, I don't know what happened, but I got a perfect, and I mean perfect pickup, first try. I was absolutely amazed. Now, as I said, there is some really unique images across BeautyBigBang XL-054, such as the moon faces. I've never seen anything like that before. The mountain scenes, the camel in the desert. Some of these images I think will come to life if they are put over the right background, such as the space image will look the best over a galaxy background, and the mountain, I would probably do a green, grey and blue gradient, something that I've never done before, but I'm so eager to try. I personally don't have many space inspired plates in my collection anymore, but I feel that because this isn't just space, I think it's a nice addition to my collection. Both of these plates have been so easy and a joy to work with that any stamping ability will more than likely get on with them. They are just that easy. For the mani, I've used a purpley blue gel polish, which is an absolute favourite for me and works brilliantly for a space themed mani. I've used 3 different images for this mani and I love how they all work so well together. And I've used a molten silver stamping polish as well. Now you could easily take this mani one step further and create a galaxy theme behind it, but I absolutely love how this has turned out. It is so pretty. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these 2 BeautyBigBang stamping plates. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.